Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this tutorial, we are creating a counter app like this without using Recyclerview and adapter. This is the part 2 of the tutorial. We will continue from where we left in the last video. I have given the link of the last video on the top right I button. In the last video, we have done till we get the reference of 3 text views and 3 image views inside onCreate method of main activity. Our main activity need to implement onClick listener because we need to listen for onClick on images like and dislike. We have overridden the onClick method. We need to set onClick listener on image views like and not liked. Inside onClick method, we will use switch case statement to check which image view is clicked. We will move out single entry class from the counter model file. Right click on the models package, new Java class name single entry. Cut the content of the single entry class and paste it in our new class with the same name single entry. We will delete the single entry class that is there in the counter model file. So this is the counter model class inside the models package. Counter model implements serializable. It has 3 variables. Type is single entry. Single entry class is there in the models package itself. If we go to the single entry class, it has 2 variables, string type name and long type likes. In the counter model class, we are using single entry 1, 2 and 3. Here we have a constructor, setters and getters and toString method. At the top of the class, we have the annotation ignore extra properties. Now in the main activity update row method, we will change the parameters. First parameter would be single entry, second parameter document ID, third parameter boolean liked. In the update row method, first line is the number of likes that we are getting from single entry dot likes. Then if boolean variable like is true, in the shared preferences, we will set the boolean with the key document ID and we will increase the likes, and if not true, then in the shared preference put boolean false, likes will be decreased. In the last line, we are updating in the Firebase Realtime database. In the main activity on top, we will declare the document IDs. Document IDs are 1, 2 and 3. We will rename the update row method name to update. Inside the value event listener, the counter model reference will be required in other places, so we will declare it globally. Now inside the onClick method, if like one image view is clicked, then call the update method. First parameter counter model get 1, second parameter is the document ID 1, third parameter liked boolean value we will send false. Similarly, if the like to image view is clicked, then we will call update method. First parameter counter model get 2, second parameter document ID 2, third parameter false. If like 3 image view is clicked, first parameter is counter model get 3, second parameter document ID 3 and third parameter false. When not liked one image view is clicked, we will call the update method. First parameter counter model get 1, second parameter document ID 1, third parameter true. When not liked 2 image view is clicked, we will call the update method. First parameter would be counter model get 2, second parameter document ID 2 and third parameter true. Similarly, we will call update method when not liked 3 image view is clicked. Now we will create a method populate and we will call the method populate from value event listeners on data scenes. In populate method, we will set the number of likes like 1, like 2 and like 3 from the counter model get 1 dot likes, counter model get 2 likes and counter model get 3 dot likes. Then we will set the copy names in 3 text views, name 1, name 2 and name 3. Counter model get 1 name, counter model get 2 name and counter model get 3 name. Then by passing document ID 1 as key, we will check in shared preference if document 1 is liked. Similarly, document 2 and document 3 also checked from shared preference if they are liked or not. If 1 is liked, then we will display the liked image view and we will hide the not liked image view, and inside the else block we will do the reverse. Similarly, we will do for document ID 2. If document ID 2 is liked, then we will display the like to image view and we will hide the not like to image view, and in the else block we will do the reverse. Likewise, we will also do for document ID 3. Now we will go to the layout file of the main activity and we will remove the dummy text that is there in the copy names of the 3 views and also remove the number of likes dummy text. By default, we are giving dummy text as 1. So our code is complete. We could run the app. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. To keep watching my videos, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.